Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Trust me, you'll want to click that link in the description and grab yours today. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. People love how it performs, and after using it myself, I totally agree. Hit the link in the description and see what all the hype is about. Hold up, you won't believe how good this one actually is. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well reviewed. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it.